Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well today. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here loaded up with the truck and trailer, and we're getting ready to head north for a cool surprise. So sit back and hang on. We're gonna go pick up something fun and cool today. So let's just say the old girl is getting some donor parts today. So let's get going. Out there. Yeah, look at the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty's out there. Nope, that's the other Statue of Liberty. That's the tiny. Just had some excellent breakfast at the ranch house. Now we're gonna keep on heading north. We're here in Duncannon, PA. Just got some breakfast, and definitely highly recommend the ranch house. Wonderful place to eat. Been coming here for years. Made it to our destination, and over there's the parts Jeep. So stay tuned, we'll give you a walk around and show you loading it up on the trailer. So check back here in a second. Yeah, you're pretty close. So the setup's going to be, winch comes out to the snatch block, and in theory we're going to just grab one in the back of the Jeep and just transfer it right onto this trailer off the sets.
They went better right now.
It actually going pretty good. I pulled it over.
Yeah, so I think
but I just gotta get it to go.
if I use a digging bar and just might be able to slide it over.
Yeah, see up to it.
Yeah.
Actually, it's probably too low, isn't it?
I was pulling it the other day, but it's not very good.
You scratched it.
Sorry. Is that good?
Just be,
Actually.
you're gonna want to watch it.
Well, let's just go slow and see what it does.
I don't even have one to go to transfer it. There, it started sliding a little bit. Hold on.
Yep.
Kind of what I'm thinking.
I mean, really, it's mostly on your trailer now, so I don't care.
Over there, you got under.
It's under.
Okay, let's try it, Seth. See what that does. Slow. I'm gonna hit that crack. I'm just gonna keep going. Okay. Say what? Let's do. Yep.
It's almost like we've done this before. Keep
Like,
going?
Yeah. Keep going. See what happens.
We're almost
All right.
there.
It's off there. Good.
We can,
It's like, that's definitely Seth's backyard. Like, what's going on here?
You want to chalk that? Here.
My floor was that good when I got mine.
The frame, the tub had settled, and the frame was on the floor.
Came up through.
It was bad.
All right, so we're up here with this guy. You should probably know him from Instagram and YouTube. If you don't, you should definitely go check him out. I'm sure you do. He's a pretty popular guy. And got some help behind me back here. And we got the Jeep on the trailer, but I'm here. I want to check out some of his projects. If you want to see him, go check out Red Eye Garage. Red Eye Cafe Garage, Red Eye Garage. That's right. Yep. And go check him out and check out what he's doing. He's always working on some cool stuff. Just go check out his page. Some weird stuff, some cool stuff. So, yeah, let me show you a Jeep real quick. We got it on the trailer, and this is what I'm thinking. So here is the donor Jeep, which is probably going to be nicer than the yellow Jeep that you saw in the last video. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. We're going to take basically two Jeeps and make one good one. And a big shout out and thanks to Seth. We came up here. He basically bought this thing. It had no engine. Did it have drivetrain in it, Seth?
Nope.
Okay.
Just the axle.
Just the axles. Basically, he wants the wheels that came off of it. He wanted the front axle and the steering off this. And then the rest I'm going to harvest and use for my project. So we came up here, grabbed this thing. It's pretty cool, but it's pretty nasty inside. So when we get it back, we'll get it all pressure washed out, cleaned up, and hopefully we don't blow too much of the purple paint off. That's pretty cool. But is anybody out there, leave a comment down below. Have you ever seen taillights like that before? That's new to me. I've never seen one like that. So there she is. Get her all pressure washed up. It's green. It's environmentally friendly. It's green. It's actually growing its own ecosystem in there. So, all right, well, we're gonna go back down the road. We got a little bit of a drive home, and we'll catch you when we get there. Look at it. It's like it was flooding. Just pulled over to stretch our legs. All right, so we left. It was dark, and we're getting home. It's getting dark. So here it is on the trailer behind me, and basically we're going to save cleaning this whole thing out back here behind me. As you can see, it's pretty dirty and nasty right inside the Jeep there. So we're going to save that for the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Tune into part 2 of picking up the parts Jeep for my 1977 Jeep CJ5. So again, thanks so much for coming along with us up to northern PA today to pick this Jeep up. And we had a fun day. I took my boys along with me. It was a great time. Saw Seth and had a great time catching up with him. And thank you so much for following along. Again, tune into part 2 and check out unloading this thing, cleaning it up, and kind of evaluating it and tell you what my plan is with this Jeep here behind me. Also, if you haven't done so yet, again, go check out Red Eye Garage. Check out, the link will be down in the description. Check out Seth's channel. He does all sorts of cool stuff, and you don't want to miss out on his creations. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.